How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday. Where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. This Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Agate Move-In Ready. I am back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, and yes, I am on a roll. You guys keep asking for more move-in ready models. But on this particular episode, you have asked me, you said, Mr. Tiny, I want a move-in ready model. I want it in the beautiful community of Hidden Forest Lake, located in Campbell, Texas. But I need one more thing. I need you to not break the bank. I need it to be cost-friendly, budget-friendly. We would like to ball on a budget, if you will. So I'm trying to do what I do here and bring your wishes to life, and I think I've done so today right here with the Agate Move-In Ready. This is for any of you right now that are looking to relocate to the Campbell, Texas area and looking to downsize and go tiny, and definitely decrease your current bills by going tiny. And you can do so right here in the Agate Move-In Ready. This model, as you see it here behind me, is 15 feet wide, it's 26 feet long, and it is on sale today for $84K. 84,000, ladies and gentlemen, and you'll get everything you see today besides furniture and decor. Included in that 84K, you will get kind of the elephant in the room, if we must, and that's going to be the 26 by 8 porch right here off the front. So you have the 26 by 8 deck that is going to be open. This is plenty of space for you to have to lounge. You can put the outdoor grill, the Blackstone, whatever you have out here. You can put a swing. The options are endless. You can put a hot tub out here if you want to, but you have it right here in the Agate Move-In Ready. And this is actually located on lot 122 in Hidden Forest Lake. And for you that are just joining the channel and first time knowing about Hidden Forest Lake tiny home communities, I want to give a quick rundown because you will ask. The lot rent on this particular lot is going to be $580 a month. That is going to include the following: Wi-Fi, water, trash pickup, and lawn maintenance. Electricity is metered separately. So electric is the only thing in addition you have to worry about taking care of. And keep in mind, you're only using 399 square feet of livable space, so your electric bills are relatively friendly. Trust me. Check out the Living Tiny with Mr. Tiny series where we talk about those things. With that said, this Agate Move-In Ready is boasting curb appeal, not only with the large deck that is right here on the front, ready to go, but you also see this home is equipped with the skirting. The skirting is going to be painted to match the exterior, where you have the tan exterior and we have a light tan trim around your doors and windows. And then of course we topped it with the Gavaloon metal roof. Great features that tie it all in together. All of your railing is going to be wood railing that is going to be painted in the light tan to match the trim of the home. And then of course, let's make our way up onto this large deck as we continue to talk about it. On the large deck, you also have a set of custom steps as well that are going to be outfitted in composite Trex decking that are going to have a 30-year warranty on the decking as well. So you have that leading up to, look how long, we can do a 40-meter dash out here on your front deck with how much room you have. And what I love about it as well is just the extra aesthetics by adding just a step-up lip right here, right, to give you an easy access into your front door, but then also the overhead awning that if you are going out to, you hear them, the bad weather, you go to look out, make sure everything's okay. You don't have to get worried about getting rained on. You've got that covered. Also, if you're trying to bring in some groceries, get your key out and hurry up, you've got that coverage as well. So a great model with tons of benefits. And for $84,000, I think this is a great option for you. With that said, follow me inside so I can show you everything you're getting for $84K. Go ahead and follow me in. And now we are on the interior of the Agate move-in ready. And yes, this is why using 15 feet of width in a tiny home goes a long way. Because look how much space you have in this living area to utilize. Of course, we have a traditional size sofa here. You have some end tables in here as well. This would be a great area here to display a nice piece of art, a large mirror, just in my opinion, to kind of open up the space. But speaking of open up the space, look at the vaulted ceilings that you have in this model, going around, looking lovely, bringing it even higher than it actually is as far as filling on square footage. And then on your main wall here, you have no built-in entertainment center. Why that is a plus in my opinion in this specific model is the fact that you can fit any size TV you wish on this wall right here. And you have the space down below to place you can put an electric fireplace down below. You can put your own entertainment center. The options are yours. And then of course, ease of access with your front door right here, which with the front door being centered, it gives you all of this additional space here to utilize where if you wanted additional seating, anything like that, you can do so. And you have the large windows down low. You have the large single transom up top. And then of course, a ceiling fan that is going to be centered with the 3 blades right there. And with it being a super open floor plan, it goes directly from the living area into the kitchen, where you'll see we have the brown cabinets with the nickel bar pools. You're going to have the countertops, of course, with the hues of brown to complement the cabinets. And then, of course, we have the mosaic backsplash leading all the way up to the bottom of the cabinets. Tons of storage space. You have your basically your pantry, your 3-door pantry on one end of the kitchen. You have a dual sink right here. Makes it easy for you to wash, of course, dry. Window right here. And with you being on lot 122 in Hidden Forest Lake, there will never be anyone behind you on this lot as it sits. You are going to have just literally, there is a big tree right here on the other side of this window. So it's just a green space, a green belt right there to enjoy. Also, you have the drawer bank that is going to be there for you for all your silverware and items as such. Black appliances, all the appliances will be included. So you'll have that as well. Smooth top electric oven, the microwave, and then the dual door fridge with the ice in it. Additional cabinetry around, and then we'll take our way on back. And again, you're going to have a stackable washing machine and dryer area right there for you, so you can bring in your washing machine and dryer of choice. Pocket door here leads you directly into the bathroom. Where the bathroom is located is where you have additional space with the cabinet down low, the linen sitting on top of the countertop in the bathroom. Continued with that same hues of brown countertop, and then we have a medicine cabinet there for your mirror. With that said, we're keeping it very cost friendly, very budget friendly. So with that $84K, you're going to get a 48-inch fiberglass one-piece shower. Gives you built-in seats on each side. We did throw in a transom window up top, so you have that ready to go as well. Functionality of the floor plan is you have the door that leads into the bathroom. I love the second pocket door that leads directly into the bedroom. And as you follow me in the bedroom, with the 15 feet of width, you're going to get this. It accommodates a king size bed. In my opinion, this is the bed wall. Of course, when it's your home, do what you wish. But I think the bed would go here. You have space on each side for your nightstands. You have clear story windows up top, raised ceiling there with, again, another ceiling fan. And then, of course, you're going to have the bifold closet door here, which is going to be centered. You have your hanging space up top, additional storage down below, and it gives a ton of space there because we've moved your dresser to the side where you have the 4-drawer dresser there, and an even usually wider space there because it is typically smaller. We've opened this up and given you even more space that you can put your TV there, or of course, we're giving you an alternative where you can mount your TV here on the wall. So again, I'm trying to make this one quick because this one will not last long, ladies and gentlemen, and I want you to go ahead and see what we have in store. So as we come around, You're going to lead back into the living area. And again, a super easy functional floor plan. And again, an affordable tiny home in a private gated community in Campbell, Texas. Keep in mind, I'm not going to tell everything that it has. I'm just going to list a few key points. It has a community center. It has a catch and release pond. It has a community garden, dog park, walking trails, just to name a few. It's one of the best tiny homes in the country, and you will be able to have exclusivity to it by purchasing the home on lot 122. Again, this home as it sits today is 15 feet wide, 26 feet long, and that is going to be on sale for $84K, and that includes the permanent skirting going around the home, as well as the 26x8 front deck. It is ready to roll. All you have to do is bring your toothbrush, some drawers, clothes, and your furniture, and you'll be ready to go right here in the Agate Move-In Ready. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you've enjoyed this video tour, and if you have, you know what to do. Hit that thumbs up button. Let me know that you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you enjoy this particular setup. It's a very affordable setup in my opinion. Let me know how you enjoyed the price point. And also, if you are interested in making this house a home, then let me know right now by hitting me up on Instagram or TikTok at the Mr. Tiny, at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the Agate Move-In Ready, as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram and TikTok. So you can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, my name is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.